Place in vise. Using a wrench, loosen the nose piece from the piston body. Separate the tool in two to expose the piston and spring. Remove the compression spring. Position the piston so that the locking keys move freely. Using an Allen key, remove the 3 grub screws. Remove the 3 locking keys. Place the 3 locking keys into the body. Insert the 3 grub screws. Using an Allen key, tighten the grub screws evenly to ensure they are not protruding beyond the top of the keys. Check the position and ensure keys travel smoothly the full length of the channels. The spring is inserted onto the tip of the piston before reassembly. Reinstall and thread the nose piece onto the piston body until the threads bottom out. Place in the vise, ensuring the vise does not damage the locking key grooves, and tighten. It is recommended that after every use, parts are cleaned and lubricated to ensure parts operate correctly on the next use.